Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having missing DLL files on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial. I'm going to navigate over to google.com. And into Google, I'm going to search for DirectX End User Runtime. I'm going to go ahead and search for that. When the best results should say download DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Go ahead and open that up. You're going to select the orange download button. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up the file to run it and select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. You want to go ahead and accept the agreement and then select next. I'm going to uncheck the option to install the Bing bar and then I'm going to select next. And I'm going to select next again. And once that's done, select finish and go ahead and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.